Got some new tools to look at today from Astro. They sent me this 1/4 inch low profile Nano Impact bit socket set, which is a new set. They also sent me this long flex head ratcheting wrench to be used with these Nano sockets, and this Stubby ratcheting flex head double box end wrench for the Nano sockets as well. Let's open all of these up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Just some new tools that I got from Astro Tools. Let's start up here at the top. We've got this 42-piece 1/4 inch drive low profile Nano Impact bit socket set. Part number on this is 78142. Now it gives a nice list on the back of what's included. But of course, let's open this up and see how it looks. Now it shows it displayed here with just an open face tray, but it looks like we've got a complete case here included, which is pretty neat. Looks like I took it out upside down. Now hopefully everything stayed in its place, but let's go ahead and open this up. And you've got some information on the warranty here included. Again, part number 78142. Well, there you go. That's everything labeled very well in this case. And I love the fact that it is a nice case that does close and lock shut. And even if I flipped it over, like I opened this upside down, it does not rattle everything around. Everything still stays in its place, which is pretty neat. And not only are all of the bits clearly marked, but the case is also embossed, and so you'll know where every piece goes. You know, if you end up dumping this out, hopefully I don't end up doing that on accident. But Torx bits 8, 9, and 10 are non-tamper proof, but 15 all the way through 50 are the tamper proof style that has a hole in the middle. Of course, the smaller ones are too small to put a hole through there. Torx across the top, and then this triple square are these 6 right here. M4, M5, M6, M8, M10, and M12. Triple square right there. And then here's your slotted, here's your Phillips, and then your hex keys are all laid out right here, the metric, and then your SAE or standard down here at the bottom. The metric from 2 all the way to 10, and standard or SAE from 5/64 all the way up to 3/8. Again, these are also designed to be super low profile, and these can be driven with a 1/4 inch ratchet. Here's an Astro ratchet. This is their 1/4 inch drive ratchet, and you can use it just like you would a regular socket. Or you can also use the hex on the outside. What I'm gonna do is open up this one right here. This is the next item that they sent me, this long flex head ratchet wrench to be used for the 1/4 inch Nano sockets, or in this case, the Nano bits. Part number on this is 78345. And this is designed to work perfectly with these. This is an 11mm, and it also has a little retaining ring so that when you do snap these in, they stay. You see that? Look how low the profile is. That's just as thick as the bit itself. 19.4mm. Very low profile to be able to use this hex bit or Allen type of socket and have a lot of leverage. The length on this is 10 inches, so that is definitely going to get you into some tight spots, whether it be metric or standard, or if you've got Torx fasteners or even triple square and you've got really tight access, these are gonna work great. Now, they didn't send this to me, but I already had this kit here. This is their metric Nano Socket set, which is a really great companion to this bit set. You know, your traditional 11mm ratcheting wrench isn't going to be this long, so I do like that. It does not have a reverse on it, so just make sure you're mindful of that if you're backing something off, that you don't get stuck somewhere or pinned up against a firewall. But such a nice addition to have this long flex head ratcheting wrench to be used with these Astro Nano sockets, you know, again, in the 1/4 inch drive. I haven't really showed these on my channel because it's something I just picked up on my own. Now, I was planning on adding this as well. I just hadn't been able to find this. These have been out of stock for quite a while. So I think they're back in stock now, but Astro sent it to me. So pretty happy to have that or add that to my collection here. This video isn't so much about these Nano sockets, but to pair that with this ratcheting wrench is pretty awesome. 18.4mm total depth on that. You really can't beat that with the traditional ratchet with sockets. So this right here, this is just a gear wrench, 1/4 inch drive. Gear wrench is pretty low profile here, but yeah, we're just about 35mm on that. And you know, the Koken is a pretty low profile socket. They're Z series. I really like this ratchet here too, but take a look at the total depth. We're at 25mm. Now, one thing I did want to point out as far as differences between the Nano Socket set here and this new bit socket set is they're made of different materials. The Nano Sockets are made of chromoly steel. It's basically a very strong, very good steel, and it's great for impacting. Now, this bit set is made of S2 steel, which is a premium material. It does cost more, but it's a harder material and it does last longer. The edges on these will hold up to a lot more abuse and a lot more impacting. S2 steel is the same type of material that you would see on a high-end bit that you would use in an impact driver or something that's going to withstand a lot of repeated impact and a lot of abuse. These are going to maintain their shape and last longer and outlast something that is going to be like a chrome vanadium or even chromoly. But the one drawback is that they do cost more. But I do love the versatility that you can use these just like these Nano Sockets. You can use them with a regular socket wrench or an impact wrench, but these are also perfect for a little impact driver like this. Just set it up like that and go to town. And again, knowing that these are the S2 steel, these are going to withstand that impact and hold up much better than some of the other materials that are out there. Now, moving on to the last item over here, this is the 78301 Stubby Ratcheting Flex Head Double Box End Wrench for Nano Sockets. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now, real quick, the total length on this one is just under 5 inches. Now, it's already set up with a little magnetic bit holder, so just about any 1/4 inch bit you want to put in there is going to be fine to get into some really tight spots. And of course, if you need to go the other way, you got to pop it out and flip it around. That in itself is a nice little feature, but let's pop that out. This is, of course, that same 11mm ratcheting wrench design. Looks like it's exactly the same setup as this one here. So that's going to fit not only all of these bits, and it's got that little retaining ring, so you do kind of have to snap it in, just like that, and then they don't fall out. This is also going to work perfectly with this Nano Socket set. It becomes a nice little palm-sized ratchet with a super low profile head. Now, if you're working in a really tight engine bay, you just have maybe that one nut or bolt that's really super hard to get to, this might save the day for you. But you flip this around and you see that this also has a 17mm ratcheting wrench, and that's going to work with the 3/8 drive Astro Nano Sockets. Let me grab those. So here's the 3/8 drive version. Same thing. I'm just going to grab a 10mm off of this, and you can just pop that in there. You've got a nice little mini handheld ratchet that can be used with all of these Nano Sockets. So the 3/8 drive plus the 1/4 inch drive, plus all of these bit sockets, just a very versatile little tool. The ratcheting mechanism here, especially on this 17mm side, is very smooth, and it seems to be a very fine tooth count. I just looked, it says it's 100 tooth count. You've got a couple little cutouts here so that your fingers can kind of grab onto that. Definitely is comfortable for such a small tool. Double flex, so you can really get around some obstacles and get into some pretty tight areas. Lots of jobs where these are all going to come in handy. I'm going to keep this little magnetic bit socket in this end as well, just for storage or safekeeping. But I gotta say, I'm really happy with this kit. A lot of different options here and a lot of different applications, of course, too. I'm really impressed with the quality on this. The sharpness of that hex or that Allen is really, really great. I can actually feel the edges, each one with my fingers. That just feels a lot sharper than a traditional Allen key or traditional tool. Even some of my impact tools, I've had them so long, a lot of them are starting to wear out. Whereas this, with the S2 steel, I think this is really going to stand the test of time. And of course, you're going to have all of these different options at the ready. Whether that's an impact wrench, a ratchet, or even this ratcheting wrench, however you end up using that, or an impact driver, these are definitely going to come in handy on lots of different jobs. A lot of times as your tools wear out, they will be more prone to stripping fasteners, and something like this I can tell is definitely going to maintain that edge and definitely will get the job done. So really happy with this set and happy with this long flex head ratcheting wrench. Also, of course, this little stubby flex head double box ratcheting wrench pairs perfectly with all of these Astro Nano Impact Sockets as well. And of course, it's going to work out great for this bit set too. So real happy that Astro reached out and said, sent all of this to me. Just want to say a big shout out and thank you to them. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get links in the description where you can pick up all of these tools as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.